Hello, I'm currently at the airport and I am flying to LA. So it is currently 2:30ish and my flight's at 4:20. So I have about an hour and a half. I still have to get food because my flight's pretty much mid-dinner. And then I got my Starbucks, but just chilling for now. I think my mom's gonna call me soon because I didn't end up saying bye to her, but yeah, I'm just chilling for now, and next thing you'll see me is in hopefully sunny California. I am in sunny LA. I just picked up the car, so I'm gonna go get myself some iced tea. I usually go to Coffee Bean. I feel like that's a tradition for me. Like every first day that I get my car, I need to go to Coffee Bean and get their mango cold brew tea. So I'm excited to get that. I totally forgot to film. I had lunch with Teresa. We just had the ramen and then headed to Miniso to check it out for a bit. But I am now going back to the car and I'm gonna go head to Melrose area. I'm gonna finally try Community Goods, the place that Justin Bieber goes to, and I'm gonna be the judge of how good this matcha tastes. Verdict is, I feel like it's pretty mid. I don't know how people think it's like amazing tasting. I just got like the regular matcha that was from, I forgot where it was from, but yeah, I mean it's like $7 plus tax. And then I got it with oat milk. They said that the original usually comes with just water and matcha, but then I got milk in it. And Japan, obviously I would say was like the top best, so that's what I was hoping it would be, but I mean it's alright. I'm at the Hapa Kristen store in LA and I want to get some contacts. I'm so glad they opened a store because I would always have to order online, so definitely want to look what type of ones that fit my eye. So that was kind of whack. I found out that I can't buy the lenses there without a prescription, and so they offer $100 to do the prescription, but or like the eye exam, but then you get like 3 contacts after that, and then if you already have a prescription from someone else, you have to pay $75 to transfer it over. So I'm like, really? I'm like, I already like bought, I already did my prescription at home, but it's just like I'm not gonna spend like another $100 just to get another eye exam, and I don't think it's covered by my insurance. So I kind of just picked out like the samples that I wanted to purchase, and then yeah, I guess I'll buy them online. It's also kind of upsetting because I went all the way to the Lulu store and it was closed. They for some reason only open on Wednesdays to Sunday. So I get it, it's like a Tuesday today, so I walked all the way there and realized it was closed. I had to walk all the way back, and then so after Hapa Kristen, I am now going to Century City, so I know everything's open there, but I guess I'm just kind of having bad luck today. I did not buy anything surprisingly, but I'm buying boba right now. Traffic says it's going to be an hour and a half back to El Monte. So yeah, I definitely have to go to the bathroom, and I guess I'll just take my time going to bed. Good morning. Today is Wednesday, and we checked into our Airbnb yesterday
So I will show you guys, of course, the mandatory tour. So that's the front door. Comes with a full kitchen. Then go to the fridge, and then this would be the living room with the TV. So once you come in here, this is the bedroom. Also has a TV. And then it also has a walk-in closet, which is great. And then go to here, and this is the bathroom. But this is definitely a more spacious Airbnb that I've ever gotten, so it's pretty nice. I just finished a scalp spa. I've never been before, but I found it on Groupon, but then she ended up giving me a better deal. And then I didn't film any of it, so sorry. But I filmed the setup, and then she did like a really deep cleansing, condition, and then when I got out of the chair, she did like all these tools where it was like would promote hair growth and scalp cleaning. But I would definitely go again. It was, I think she gave it to me for $65, and it was an hour, so if you're ever in LA, definitely go check out a scalp spa. That's the one I went to. It's called Tokyo Hair Washing, and it's in Temple City. I'm now on my way to Bopo Mofo. I feel like every time I'm here I go there, but I'm gonna go get myself some boba or coffee, but definitely haven't been sleeping the best the past 2 days. I think it's just because I'm in a new area, so body's not used to it.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up.
I ended up getting the matcha latte with boba.
People you haven't met. I guess my mama was right. But it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark.
I am at the Chamu brand. This brand is the original Thai tea. It's based out of Asia, and they have a store here in LA. The Thai tea is super authentic, so if you're ever in LA, go for it. But I feel like I'm definitely gonna get a stomachache after this.
Hey!
On our way to dinner, we're gonna be eating at Love Hour, so it's pretty much like a burger place. And we met up with this guy.
Why can't I make up my mind? 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken.
At the gym, and I did not plan for this, but look at my, okay, I planned for my outfit, but my watch is also pink, my phone case is pink, my water bottle is white, and my shoes are beige and pink, and yeah, I just happen to look very cute and aesthetic today. Got one of these surprise bobas. I had to pay $4 extra for it, but I was like, I've never gotten it before, so why not? So let's open it up.
Let's get lost together.
Oh!
beach in Laguna, and it is really cloudy today, as you can see. It's definitely colder than I thought, and I was hoping to wear a swimsuit, but there's no way that I'm gonna do this.
Let's get lost together.
We just arrived at the Airbnb, which is actually a hotel, but it's so nice. It overlooks the ocean, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So it has a full kitchen, and then it goes into the dining room, living room area. There's actually another room in here, which has 2 twins, and they have their own bathroom, which is great. And then once you go out to this area, closet, couch, TV, and then a patio with a barbecue, surprisingly, and it overlooks the ocean. It's so nice. And then this is the master bedroom. So master has its own bathroom, double sink, and then a king size bed. And then also has a view as the ocean as well. And look how nice it is. I'm just sad that it's such a gloomy day and it's really cold. When we were at the beach earlier, I was like freezing. Obviously, it's not as comparable to Vancouver, but you know, I wanted to go to the beach. I wanted to watch the sunset, but it just seems like there won't be any sunset. But love the room, and then we're gonna head off to dinner soon for some seafood, and hopefully there'll be like a good view as there as well. But I'm gonna get ready and I will show you guys my outfit. This is the outfit. I'm in love with this dress. This is from Abercrombie, and I felt like it was a good choice for the beach, but I know I'm gonna be cold, but oh well, do it for the pictures.
Let's get lost together.
Good morning. Today is our last day in Laguna. We just wanted to stay for a night and just check out the beach. I just wish today was also not cloudy, but it is, and it's supposed to rain today. So I think we're just gonna go grab some brunch and then head back to LA, because it is also my last day in LA and I needed a couple of things to do. I need to go to Portos and grab a bunch of pastries and then just grab a couple of minute things. But yeah, it has definitely come to an end and it's gone by so fast.
Last minute trip to the Disney Walk. We are back in town. We are just at a Target doing some errands, and it's sprinkling right now, very gloomy. So it's gonna be a chill night. We're probably gonna get some Sonic for dinner and then bring it back to his place and watch Turning Red, because he's actually never watched Turning Red before, so I want to introduce it to him. Right now I'm just eating some mochi that I got from Tokyo Central. It's from the place Fugetsudo, so that's the place in Little Tokyo that sells the mochi, and this is so good. I feel like I always have to get this every time I come to LA.
place right now, and we're gonna get fish tacos. Today's my last day, and it's raining like crazy. And I ordered some Portos, so we're gonna go pick that up after. And yeah, I guess just gonna chill for the rest of the afternoon till my flight.